In this Pictory.AI tutorial, I'll show you how you can use this powerful AI tool to create videos for YouTube, whether it is long form video or short form video, or you can create Instagram Reels or TikTok videos with Pictory.AI within minutes. If you want to sign up for Pictory, you will find the link in the description. You can go to that link and sign up for the free trial. Now let's jump into the tutorial. So to sign up for Pictory, you can click on this button free trial. So it will take you to this page and it says start your free trial, no credit card required. So no credit card is required to sign up for the free trial. Then you can enter your details here and you can click on continue. Now I already have an account, so I will sign in. So this is my account. So this is the dashboard of Pictory. So you have 4 different options to create videos. First is script to video. So you can paste a script into Pictory and it will create a stunning video for you, a wonderful video for you. So as you can see, recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching videos, or step-by-step guide. So it is recommended for these videos. Then second option is article to video. So you can get an article, a blog post, and you can paste the URL of that blog post or article here, and it will create a video out of that. And then third is edit videos using text. So you can edit your videos using text. And fourth one is visual to video. So you can drag and drop files from your computer and it will create a video for you. So first, let me show you how you can create a video out of article. So I will go to this website and I have found this article, 10 tips for mastering time management at work. So this is the article and we can copy the URL of this article from here. And if you paste this article into Pictory here, and you will click on this proceed, so it will create a blog post, it will create a video out of this article for you. But I will not recommend you to steal someone else's content. So if you have your own blog post or your own blog, so you can take your article, take URL of that article and paste here, so it will create a video out of that. But if you don't have any blog post, so you can write a script using another AI tool that I'll show you in a minute. So I will create a video out of a script. So I'll click on this script to video, so I will click on proceed. So now first we have to give the name of our video. So let's give the name of that video. So I will give it to as how to become a millionaire, and I will paste the script here. But first we need to create that script. So I will show you how you can create a script using a free tool called ChatGPT. So you can go to ChatGPT and after logging in you can click on this new chat button. So it will create a new chat for you. Now you can type any message here. So I will type act as a YouTube script writer. So I will ask ChatGPT to act as a YouTube script writer and I will click on this button. So it will act as a YouTube script writer. Now as you can see, it has answered us as sure, what kind of video would you like me to write script for? So it asks us that what kind of video script we want it to write. So now I will type here, so please write me a script for a YouTube video for the keyword how to become a millionaire. So I will click on this button, so it will start writing that article for us. So as you can see, it has started writing the script for us. So this is the intro. Welcome to our channel where we talk about all things. So this is the intro. Then it has given a number of steps to us. First step is set a goal, then second step is invest in yourself. Then it is still writing for us, so let's wait and I will jump cut to the point where it will be completed. So as you can see, it has written a YouTube video script for us, as you can see. Now if you think this script is not that long, so it will create a longer video. So you can ask it to elaborate each and every step. So for example, this is the step 1, set a goal. So I will ask it to please elaborate the step 1. So it will elaborate each and every step. You can ask it to elaborate each and every step. So I asked it to elaborate the step 1. So as you can see, it is now writing the step 1 in more detail. So as you can see, it has written in more detail the first step, set a goal. So it has written me a detailed article now. So you can ask it to write a detailed version of each step. So you will get a very long script to create video. So now what next step is, you can copy this script. So for example, I will copy this part, intro and set a goal, first step, and then I will paste it into Pictory. So I'll paste the script here. Now what I would recommend you that you first break the script into sentences. So I will remove this intro window, we don't need this. And then from here I will break this into the next sentence from here as well. So I will break the script into sentences rather than paragraphs, so the text on the videos will not look bulkier. That I'll show you later how why I am doing this. So I will break each and every paragraph into sentences. So I will remove this step 1 for now, and then from here I will give an enter to break this into sentence, and I will do it to the whole script. So as you can see, I have broken into sentences. Now I will click on this proceed button, so it will start working for us and it will start creating the video out of this script for us. So before that we have to choose any template out of this template library. So let's say we choose this one, or we choose this one, and I will select this template, and then it will ask you to choose any aspect ratio. So since we are creating this video for YouTube, so I'll click on this 16:9 and I will click select. So now it will start working for us to start create videos out of that script. So as you can see, it has started working for us, analyzing the text. So I will jump cut to the point where it will be completed 100%. So as you can see, it has created a video for us, and on the left hand side you can see it has created a scene for each sentence, and it has created total 34 scenes for us because I have not pasted the whole script into Pictory. So for each sentence it has created a scene for us. So this is the first scene. As you can see, the duration of this scene is 8.5 seconds. You can preview this as well by clicking on this button. So So this is the first scene. Then the second scene is this one. You can preview this as well by clicking on this. So as you can see, it has taken a stock footage or stock video, and it has taken the captions as well in the bottom, and you can edit each and every scene by clicking on this scene. If you want to edit this, first you're gonna go to visuals. If you want to change the background, if you don't like the background, you can go to visuals and you can select a visual out of this library. So it has a number of visuals, as you can see, a number of videos. So let's say I will choose this one. So it will change this background video and replace by this video in the first scene. As you can see, it has replaced that video. And if you want to add any element, so you can go to this elements and you can add stickers or gifs or emojis in this scene. And if you go back to visuals, you will have more options like this, or you can upload any video if you want, if you don't want to choose the video file or the scene from the stock footages or stock videos. So if you want to add change the audio as well, you can change it from here. It has a 15,000 plus tracks available for you. And if you want to add text or edit that text, you can do it from here. And if you want to change the style, or if you want to add the branding on the video, you can do it from here. You can upload your own image or your own video, so you can add the branding on the on any corner of this scene. So you can edit each and every scene if you want, if you don't like. So for that, you're going to go to story and you can choose any of the scenes. For example, if you don't like this background video or any other thing, for example, if you don't like this style of text that is being displayed here, you can change it as well by clicking on this. And from here you can change the font if you want, and then you can change the font size from here. You can bold the font, you can change each and everything. You can change the color of this font as well, this text as well. And then after completing your editing, you can download this video. But before that, you will have to add, if you want to add voiceovers to the video, so you will see an option here that is add voiceover, and then you will get two options. First is upload voiceover, so you can upload your own voiceover, or you can record a voiceover right now. So I will recommend you to upload your own voiceover. So now if you don't know how to create that voiceover, and if you don't want to create the voiceover in your own voice, so I will suggest you one more tool to create voiceovers, amazing voiceovers for your videos. So that tool is this muff.ai. So you can go to muff.ai and you will find the link in the description again for this tool. And this tool is very good to create voiceovers for any kind of videos. So you if you have signed up or logged in, so you will get a dashboard like this. And to create a new project, you can click on this create a new project, and from here you can give this project a name. So I will give a random name for now, and then I will click on this start blank and I will click on this create project button. So it will create a new project for us. Now what you have to do, you will have to copy that script again wherever you have pasted that script. So I will copy this script from ChatGPT and I will come back to Muff, and then I will paste the script here. So I will paste it. Then it will give you some different options. First is split the script by paragraph. Second is split the script by sentences. So if you know, we have pasted the script by sentences in Pictory as well, and it has created the scenes according to the sentences. So I will choose this option, split the script by sentences. So it will automatically split the script by sentences. Then you can click on this button, paste script. So it will paste all the script by sentences. As you can see, it has I think 34 or 35 sentences. And then if you want to preview any of this sentence, so you can click on this button. So it will generate audio for you for this sentence. And if you click on this play button.
Intro, welcome to our channel where we talk about all things related to personal finance and wealth building.
So it will play the video audio for you. So if you want to change the voice, so you have different options. You can go to this explore AI voices. So you will get a number of options to choose from. You can preview by clicking.
Introducing Perfect Meal, a special formula for your feline, made with real chicken.
Thank you for enrolling. This e-learning system present.
You can choose any one of them. So I will choose Nate for now. So now let's preview this sentence as well. So first it will generate the voice for you. Then if you click the play button again.
If you've ever dreamed of becoming a millionaire, this video is for you.
So it will preview the audio for you. So now your audio is ready. So once you done with your audio, with all your sentences, with the whole script, you can go to this option, export, and then you will have different options here. So you can export your voice, and then after exporting that voice, you can come back to Pictory and you can go to this add voiceovers, and you can choose this option, upload voiceover, and you can upload your voiceover that you have created using Pictory.AI. Now if you have completed your video with your video creation, then you can download that video going to this button, download, and then you will have different options. So you can click on this video button. So that video will be downloaded, starting to download for you. And once the video is downloaded, it is ready to be uploaded on YouTube or any other platform you want to upload this video on. So you can change the aspect ratio later as well of this video if you want to upload this video to any other platform like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos. So on the left hand side you will see this option, format, and from here you can change the aspect ratio. For example, if you want to upload this video to TikTok, so you can choose this 9:16 portrait mode. So it will change the aspect ratio for you, as you can see. So you can change this later on as well after creating the video. So once your video is ready, you can upload it to any of the platform. So that's all from this tutorial. If you have got any value out of this, you can give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to sign up for Pictory or any other tool that I've shown you in this video, you can go to the link in the description and sign up for them. Thank you and goodbye.